Okay, I just picked up another nice Zippo today. Let's take a look at it. Now this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box, and it says genuine Zippo lighter made in USA in Bradford, PA 16701. And it says made in the USA on the inside and Zippo. Now when I saw this, I got it because I thought it looked a lot like a lobster. And it's on a high polished brass finish. Let's see if we can get a good shot. It's hard to see, but I thought that looked like a lobster. That is so high polished that it is kind of difficult to see. Anyway, it's a red. They are calling this thing, they call it the scorpion shell, but I think it looks like a lobster, and that's actually why I got it, because I thought it looked like a lobster, a red lobster. It's a pretty good one. It's on a high polished brass body, and this one made in B or February of this year, so it's a new design. Got a really good sound. It's got a brass insert, so that's nice. And it does fire up. I got the overhead fan on. I'm going to turn that fan off. So you can see it is windproof because I got a big overhead ceiling fan. So that is a red lobster. Well, no, it's a scorpion, really. They call it a scorpion. So let's do a drop test on this scorpion. I'm going to do a drop test from about 18 inches. Still functions okay. Now let's do a drop test with this thing open from the same height, about 18 inches. Now that did go out. I'm going to try it again. Drop test, lit from 18 inches. Okay, that's better. That one stayed on. Real nice example of a brass Zippo. They call it a scorpion, but it looks like a lobster to me. Yeah, that's a good one. And it definitely deserves just a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.